dude, what are you doing on the weekend? Maybe I can come over. What am I doing on the weekend? You know, oh, no, but, I'm not really doing anything. I'm just gonna be chilling, playing Modern Warfare 2. Love this game. I know. Oh, well, seriously, what are you doing for the weekend? Hey, look out. Did it. So, for the weekend, what are you doing? Oh, God. Dude, why would you do that? What? No. Dude, that's gross. Why would you do that in the first place? You're kidding? You're not kidding. That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard. I don't get why you would do that. Who the hell would do that? No, I don't want to see you do it. No. No. No, don't come over. No. That's you? It is? Oh my god. Is it you? Oh my god. It's you. Ah!